Now we'll discuss capillaries. Most arteries divide as successively small branches until they form very fine capillaries in all the body tissue. Capillaries are minute vessels. They have very thin walls as compared to arteries which have very thick walls. The thinner walls of the capillaries allows for the movement of oxygen and other substance from the blood of the body cells. Waste material from the cell such as carbon dioxide can diffuse very easily from the cell to the capillary because capillaries are very thin walled. Several capillaries join together to form a small vein, ultimately leading to the formation of the main vein. If capillaries are cut, blood oozes out very slowly. Now we'll discuss the third blood vessel, which is the vein. Veins, these are the collecting blood vessels. Arteries we had discussed, they were the distributing blood vessels. Veins are the collecting blood vessels and they carry oxygen depleted blood or deoxygenated blood to the heart. They transport blood which is depleted of oxygen, which pumps it to the lungs to be oxygenated. So veins are carrying blood from the heart to the lungs to get it oxygenated. Venous blood hence contains more amount of carbon dioxide and waste products picked up from the tissue. Veins were earlier thought to be mere passageways for the flow of blood into the heart. It is now known that they are capable of constricting and enlarging and of storing large quantities of blood and making it available whenever required, and regulating the cardiac output by varying the venous return. Veins have very thin wall as compared to arteries. They are provided with walls which allow the blood to flow in one direction, that is towards the wall. Yesterday we had discussed in heart also that there are walls present between the right auricle to the left auricle and right ventricle to the left ventricle. They were walls, so that these walls wherever present in the body, they allow only the blood to flow in one direction. Veins carry deoxygenated blood, hence if the veins is cut, severe dark red blood oozes out steadily. So in case of veins, I am just summarizing. Veins are thin walled as compared to the arteries, and internal walls are going to prevent the backflow of the blood. Walls are less thickened and less elastic as compared to arteries. Lumen is wide. Vein is carrying deoxygenated blood except pulmonary veins, which is going to carry oxygen rich blood from lungs to the heart. Veins are generally superficial. We can observe veins under the skin of our body.